A serene drone glides above Seljalandsfoss, where a hidden footpath behind the cascade invites a tranquil walk beneath the spray. Further east, the Vatnajökull region reveals glacier ice cracking in soft blues, while basalt cliffs frame the river valley with patient light. Nearby, Eyjafjallajökull's volcano history reminds travelers to tread respectfully as steam vents drift through mossy lava fields. As night falls, the Aurora unfurls over remote valleys, with a calm tempo of music guiding overlays on travel tips. Practical overlays suggest packing layers, renting a car, and choosing safe viewing spots before a peaceful sunlit coastline ends the journey.